How to send USDT from Coinbase to another wallet. In order to send USDT from Coinbase to different wallet, you want to follow these steps. First thing, open the Coinbase Wallet app, and from the dashboard, you want to choose Send Crypto, or just click on Send Options. As you do it then on the next field, you want to select the asset to send and input the amount as well. So here comes the to address. So here you want to paste in the wallet address of the another wallet where you actually want to transfer or withdraw or send. You want to type in, or you want to just paste in and click on the continue button. As you do it enter in the exact amount, confirm all sort of things from your favorites, or add a new address in the text bar. Then click on the continue button. You could also go ahead and read the terms and condition, all that. And after you've actually done it, select preview, send and review the details. And you've successfully sent USDT from Coinbase to another wallet. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.